drugs. This is your brain on drugs. Any questions?
Whoa, that was cool. There should be more commercials like that.
Why?
Because it's good to know what drugs do to your brain.
But that wasn't true.
What?
That wasn't an accurate representation of your brain on drugs.
How?
Come here, let me show you. See, this is a picture of a normal brain, and this is a picture of a brain on cocaine.
What do all the colors mean?
Well, this is a PET scan. A PET scan is a picture telling where the brain is and isn't working well. So when the brain is working, it uses electricity.
Kind of like when you plug something in.
Something kind of like that.
So this might sound a little stupid, but wouldn't that hurt?
Not at all. It actually, that's how the brain tells the rest of the body what it should be doing.
Oh, okay.
So when your brain is working and electricity is going through parts of your brain, it creates these reds, yellows, and oranges. In parts of the brain where it isn't working and there's little or no electricity, it's colder, so these parts are blue and green. Let's look at another picture. This one shows an even clearer depiction of how much red and yellow and orange are on a normal brain, but there's almost no red or orange on the brain with cocaine.
Wow, there's a lot more blue and green on the brain on drugs. So that means the brain is a lot more cold than the normal brain.
Exactly, you got it.
So how does it work with drugs other than cocaine?
Actually, it works the same way. Even though these drugs have different effects on the body, they still cool down the brain. So we've been looking at cocaine, which is a stimulant. And stimulants give the body energy. Whereas there's another drug called marijuana. On the other hand, marijuana relaxes the body and calms down the person who takes it. Let's look at one of those brains. See, now this side is the brain that's normal, that's not on drugs. And now this side is the brain on marijuana. Do you see how much different these two brains look?
Wow, marijuana cools the brain down just like cocaine does. That's so cool. Each drug does something different to the body, but both cool down the brain.
Exactly. Now do you understand why that commercial wasn't accurate?
Yeah, I do.
So, what do you think a commercial that would be accurate would look like? Well, you think about what a correct commercial would look like and get back to me, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
I got it! This is drugs. This is your brain. This is your brain with drugs. Any questions?
So how does it work with drugs? How does it work?
Wow, marijuana cools the brain just like it cocaine.
You're really excited about that. Okay, let's...
Can we do this in a British accent?
I can't believe we just did that. Okay. It's good.
Thank you for being here today.